Good morning, everyone. Blake Sloan here. Got a fresh off the truck award for our team. Super excited just to unbox this. Just to share all the hard work we've done as a team. 545 houses sold last year. Ranked top real estate team here in the Myrtle Beach area. Just wanted to kind of open this and share one for our team, one for you all to see, hey look, this is what our team's got about hard work, by delivering to our clients, and setting a different standard in regards to how we operate, what we do. And so we're super excited about this as a team. I have not seen it yet, but did get an email that is on the way. So we'll check this out, see what it looks like. Lots of tape. Oh, cool. Cover story, Real Producers Magazine. Super proud of our team, super thankful for our clients, and just here to win for our clients, here to win for you, and here to win the team. So very excited to share this. We'll put this up, and thanks again to Real Producers for putting us on the cover.